Stop throwing away used lemon peels. Drop the peels into boiling water, add 2 sprigs of rosemary, and simmer for about 10 minutes. Then strain and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Mist your space to quickly fill it with a fresh, natural aroma. It's a simple, less toxic alternative to store-bought chemical air fresheners. I put this in the toilet tank, and my unpleasant problem disappears instantly. Take an empty plastic bottle that fits inside the tank. Add 2 measures of fabric softener. It not only provides a pleasant scent, but also contains ingredients that soften water and reduce limescale buildup. The next ingredient is baking soda, which has disinfecting and odor-neutralizing properties. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the bottle. Now the key element, lemon. It acts as a natural cleaner. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice into the bottle for a fresh citrus scent and extra descaling power. Fill the bottle halfway with water, seal it, and shake well to mix everything. Next, heat the tip of a knife and make holes on both sides of the bottle. This allows the water to gradually release the cleaning mixture with every flush. From now on, each flush will mix the water with the fresh, fragrant solution, keeping your toilet clean and smelling great. I mix petroleum jelly with lemon. This saves me a ton of money. I look 10 years younger without buying expensive creams. This solution is much cheaper, simpler, and better. All you need is regular cosmetic petroleum jelly that many people use. But not everyone knows its wide range of applications. If you combine it with lemon, you'll get a super cheap cosmetic product. Transfer 1 teaspoon of petroleum jelly to a small clean bowl. Take 1 lemon. Cut it in half. Squeeze the juice from 1 half. If any seeds get into the juice, strain it through a sieve into a bowl. Prepare a steam bath. Place the bowl with petroleum jelly and lemon juice over a pot of hot water. Heat until the ingredients are dissolved. Petroleum jelly makes the skin soft, smooth, and more elastic. Mix everything thoroughly. Lemons improve the skin's texture. They brighten the complexion and remove blemishes. They reduce the number of blackheads. Once the mixture has cooled down, you can apply it to your face, neck, and decollete. If you have makeup on, remove it first. Leave the mask on for 10 minutes to allow the skin to absorb it well. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Regular use works wonders. Your skin will be properly moisturized and nourished. With daily care, you'll see results in just a few days. Do this in the evening before bed, and you'll see the difference in the morning. You'll be surprised at what you can avoid with this simple trick. It's an easy yet highly effective method that solves 2 problems at once. Take a lemon and cut off one of its ends. Then, insert the tip of a stopper into the center of the lemon and place it over the sink drain. Now, cut off the other end of the lemon, shaping it to fit the drain opening. Insert the prepared citrus plug into the sink and close the drain overnight. This prevents earwigs, which are most active after dark and often seek food scraps in damp areas, from entering the drain. The acid in the lemon creates a natural scent barrier that effectively repels insects, keeping them from reaching the pipes. In the morning, when you remove the citrus plug, you'll notice that unpleasant odors have also disappeared. Additionally, the lemon's essential oils have antibacterial properties, disinfecting the sink and eliminating built-up bacteria. This simple trick keeps your kitchen fresher and helps prevent insect problems. Dip a lemon in salt and rub it on your shower faucet. Your bathroom will shine like new again. No store-bought cleaner can give you this kind of freshness. Stubborn stains and buildup that accumulate over time don't have to mean endless scrubbing. A simple kitchen ingredient is enough to tackle even the toughest marks. Cut the lemon in half. Lemon has antibacterial properties, brightens surfaces, and neutralizes unpleasant odors. Press 1/2 into table salt. The salt acts as a natural abrasive that removes dirt and limescale. With gentle, circular motions, scrub the faucet. The combination of lemon and salt works like a natural scrub sponge that can handle even hard-to-remove discoloration. This trick is also great for cleaning the toilet seat or sink faucets, where water stains and deposits often appear. You can also use it to refresh stone or stainless steel surfaces that lose their shine over time. Finally, just wipe everything with a damp cloth and dry it with a paper towel. Use this method regularly, and your bathroom will always stay shiny, fresh, and free of stubborn buildup.
Cut the lemon and sprinkle it with salt. Place it on the nightstand and the annoying problem will disappear. It sounds strange, but it really works. Cut the lemon into quarters, creating a flower shape. Then fill its center with table salt. Place the prepared lemon in a bowl and put it on the nightstand. The salt will make the fruit emit a more intense fragrance. It turns out that aromatherapy using lemon effectively reduces stress. Just place it on the nightstand and go to sleep. The scent will make you feel calmer, help you fall asleep, and positively impact the quality of your sleep.
I squeezed lemons the wrong way my whole life. It turns out the typical method everyone uses is incorrect. With that method, you never get as much juice as you could. Start by taking 2 lemons of the same size. I will show you the proper way to squeeze them and compare both methods. The first method is the standard one you already know. Cut the lemon in half, take a small bowl, and squeeze the juice from each half. Then weigh the juice on a kitchen scale. Make sure to zero the scale first so it shows only the weight of the juice. Using the standard method, I get 23 grams of juice. Now I will show you the second, more effective way. Cut the lemon into several pieces so the center has peel only on the 2 ends. This middle piece is key. Do not squeeze it, just twist it. Squeeze the remaining pieces into the bowl, then weigh the juice. As you can see, there is much more juice than with the first method. Changing the way you cut and squeeze the lemon gives you noticeably more juice. Apply toothpaste to a lemon and put it into the washing machine drum. Very few people know this trick. If you have not tried it yet, it is time to change that. Most of us do not clean the washing machine regularly, which leads to a buildup of dirt and residue. With this simple trick, you can keep the appliance clean without using expensive chemicals. Cut the lemon into 2 equal halves. Apply toothpaste to each half. Both ingredients have strong disinfecting and antibacterial properties. Put the prepared lemon into the washing machine drum. Pull back the rubber seal and sprinkle a small amount of baking soda inside. Scrub thoroughly with a toothbrush and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, clean the detergent drawer thoroughly. Prepare a mixture of about 2 ounces of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix well and apply the foam to the surface of the drawer. Wait a moment and clean hard-to-reach areas with a toothbrush. Set a short wash cycle and start the washing machine. When the cycle is finished, simply remove the lemon. Do not forget about the washing machine filter as well. Take 1 absorbent diaper and place it under the filter. It will absorb the water that flows out when you unscrew it. This way, you will avoid flooding the floor and extra cleaning. These methods will make your washing machine clean, fresh, and free of limescale. This method not only effectively refreshes the inside of the washing machine, but also helps protect it from future buildup of dirt.